Hi you all, today we have a super practical video because I'm going to be sharing with you the best tea for gut health. So I'm always talking root cause, right? Like figure out the root cause, get your body back into balance, it's going to help heal your gut, but I get it. Sometimes you just want some like quick relief, and this tea might give you some relief if you're really struggling with different symptoms someday until you find the root causes and get everything back into balance. So I'm Ashley Oswald. I'm a gut health dietitian and founder of Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help people improve and eliminate bothersome gut issues like gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and more. If you or somebody you know wants to work with our clinic, just start by scheduling a free call at the link below. And without further ado, let's talk about this tea. So there are many tea options, but my favorite is a mixture of ginger, peppermint, and fennel. So peppermint has research in those with IBS, so irritable bowel syndrome, and that it's been shown to help decrease distension, decrease gas, decrease abdominal pain, and decrease bowel movements. So it can really help with those like cramps and spasms, just really calming. And it might even help with preventing constipation, possibly by helping to stimulate the gallbladder with releasing bile, which helps with that bowel movement. But the research was done on the combination products. We're not sure how much the peppermint helped versus the other ingredients. If you have acid reflux, I would say just leave the peppermint out. Just go with the ginger and fennel because peppermint can actually make acid reflux worse. Ginger can help with pain and inflammation. It's really notable for its anti-inflammatory properties, which you maybe have heard of ginger for arthritis. For this, and giving quick symptom relief, it can help calm down inflammation in the stomach. It can help to release some gas, and it can help with some peristalsis, likely due to stimulating that bile secretion from the gallbladder, and then also by increasing blood circulation. And then lastly, it can help with gastroparesis, which is just slow stomach movement. So it just helps get the whole intestines like gently moving while being really anti-inflammatory and calming. And then lastly, fennel can just help relax the gut. So it can be really nice for gas and bloat, and again, just a really calming effect. So, all right, great, Ashley, sign me up. Where do I buy it? I have not seen an exact combination product with all three of these products in one tea on the market. So if you know of one, link it below. I'm sure there's something out there. I just haven't come across it yet. Otherwise, what you can do is just make your own. So either go to a natural food store, just get the ingredients, like get some fresh ginger root, get some fennel, probably in the bulk section, get some peppermint leaves, fresh peppermint leaves, how delicious is that, and just soak it in some hot water for yourself. Or you can go and buy these three teas separately. There's many brands. Just go to the tea aisle and just make your own combination teas. So like one bag would be for 1 cup of tea, right? So you can just make 3 cups of tea at one time. Also, there's a company called Heather's Tummy Care. I really like them. They sell peppermint and fennel tea separately, so you could always just buy those and combine them together. And then stronger the tea, the more effective it'll likely be. So just kind of play around with what works for you and what you enjoy. And then before we wrap up here, I do want to take this opportunity to share a free masterclass that we offer, which is called Ashley Spills for Guts, 5 steps on how to improve gut health. So if you're ready to learn more about your gut and get to those root causes and finally get relief and have more energy and improved immunity and just not have to deal with bothersome gut issues so much anymore, this masterclass is for you, and the link to sign up is below and in the first comment below our video as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of our new videos every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central Time, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next week.